Before buying any hair product, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, hair care, the ultimate guide. Let's kick things off with Hair Care, the Ultimate Guide by Jessie Minty. It's priced at just 99 cents, which caught my attention right away. If you want to uncover the myths about hair care and learn how to grow healthy hair, this is worth a serious look. This guide dives deep into everyday hair care, tackling common myths that many of us fall for. For example, it explains the difference between washing your hair every day versus not, and why pH levels in water matter for your hair health. It also covers managing curls and controlling frizz, which can be a huge issue for many. With practical tips and an easy-to-understand format, you'll feel empowered to take charge of your hair care routine. Now, some readers have pointed out that the book could use more in-depth product recommendations. Here's the thing, though. At this price point, it's hard to complain. It's still a great introduction for anyone looking to enhance their hair care knowledge. This guide is perfect for you if you're new to hair care and need a solid foundation. But skip this one if you're looking for an advanced manual loaded with product reviews. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to establish a customized hair care routine. Product number 2, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Hair Care by Olivia Carrasco, which you can grab for free. What caught my eye is its promise to help you achieve healthy, gorgeous hair using expert tips. If you're eager to understand your hair type and make informed choices, this is worth considering. This guide provides essential insights on identifying your hair type and texture, which is crucial for choosing the right products. It breaks down the truth about shampoo, conditioner, and deep treatments, helping you avoid the traps of marketing hype. Plus, it offers customizable weekly routines that cater to your specific hair needs, from growth to shine and breakage prevention. However, not everyone loves the layout, and some find it a bit basic. I'll be real with you. While it may not be the most visually appealing, the information is solid and can genuinely help you along your hair journey. This is perfect for you if you're starting from scratch and want to build a routine that works for you. But skip this if you already have a well-established hair care regimen. Now, if the previous guide's basic approach wasn't enough for you, the next product dives deeper into Product number 3, Let's Talk About Hair. The third pick is Let's Talk About Hair by Trisha Norma, also available for free. What drew me in is the promise of incredible tips from a professional hairstylist. If you're looking for insider knowledge to boost your hair game, this could be your go-to. In this guide, Trisha shares practical advice straight from the salon floor, covering everything from everyday maintenance to styling tips that can transform your look. Her insights can help you understand not just what products to use, but also how to use them for maximum effect. This is especially beneficial if you're unsure about what works for your hair type. However, some readers felt the tips were a bit generalized. Here's the thing. While it may not cater to every niche hair need, the overall advice is still reliable and can point you in the right direction. This is perfect for you if you want practical tips that come straight from a stylist's experience. But skip this if you're looking for in-depth product reviews and comparisons. Alright, that was a fun guide. But if you're ready for something that challenges misconceptions about hair care, then check out the next product. Product number 4, Smart Beauty, a practical guide. Coming in at number 4 is Smart Beauty, a practical guide to hair care by Maria Michelini. This one's also free, and it promises to help you achieve your dream hair without wasting time or money. If you're tired of trial and error, this guide might just be what you need. Maria's guide takes a straightforward approach, emphasizing efficient hair care methods that save you both time and money. It covers essential topics like effective product use and budgeting for your hair care, which many of us overlook. There's a wealth of practical advice to help you make the most of what you have, rather than chasing the latest trends. But some reviews mentioned it feels a bit surface level. Now, I get that. If you're looking for in-depth analysis, this might not satisfy you. Still, the actionable tips can make a significant difference in your daily routine. This is perfect for you if you're busy and want to streamline your hair care process. But skip this one if you want an exhaustive guide filled with research and deep dives into specific products. Now, if you're ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about hair care, stick around for the last product. Product number 5. Everything you know about hair is wrong. Finally, we have Everything You Know About Hair is Wrong by Gwen Jamer. This Audible audiobook is a game changer, shaking up common misconceptions in hair care. If you're ready for some serious revelations about your hair routine, you'll want to listen to this. Gwen takes a no-nonsense approach, debunking myths that have likely led many of us astray. She dives into what really works for hair health and the science behind product effectiveness. This fresh perspective can be a real eye-opener, especially if you've been following old-school advice that hasn't worked. Some listeners have mentioned that her approach can seem harsh or overly critical. Here's the thing though, this honesty is refreshing and can really help you reevaluate your habits for the better. This is perfect for you if you're open to changing your perspective on hair care, but skip this if you're not ready to let go of what you've always believed. To wrap it up, we covered a mix of guides that cater to every level of hair care knowledge, from the basics to challenging existing beliefs. Each of these products offers unique insights, so there's definitely something for everyone. To wrap it up, we covered a mix of guides that cater to every level of hair care knowledge, from the basics to challenging existing beliefs. Each of these products offers unique insights, so there's definitely something for everyone.